Hi friends, we are going to do our label a spider activity, and I'm so sorry I already have mine cut out because my video got messed up. So I glued in the words label a spider, and I cut out my spider and also the words. Now we're going to start labeling together. So the first word I have cut out is E-Y-E-S. Those are the eyes, the spider's eyes. So here's our spider's eyes right here. I'm going to glue the word eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. My next word is feelers. Feelers. So if you remember when we looked, the spider's feelers are at the top of its body on the head. So we're going to glue the feelers. This right here, the arrow is pointing to the spider's feelers. All right, the next word I have is abdomen. Abdomen. So if you remember, a spider has two body parts, the head and the abdomen. This arrow is pointing to the spider's abdomen. So I'm going to glue the word abdomen. All right, the next word I have is legs. Legs. Let's find the arrow that's pointing to our spider's legs. Here is the spider's leg. So legs. Remember, a spider is going to have 8 legs. All right, my next word is head. Head. So I know the spider has a head and an abdomen. My head is going to go right here, spider's head. Then at the back, the spider has something called a spinneret. I'm going to put the word spinneret and glue it down here. So let's go over our parts again. We have the eyes, feelers, head, legs, abdomen, and spinneret. So again, friends, the eyes are here. The feelers are at the front of the spider's body. The head, the legs, the abdomen, and the spinneret is at the back. Now I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to put some glue down and glue my spider onto my spider book. So label a spider. I'm gluing my spider down into my book. All right, my friends, I will see you all soon.